Hello, good day. Welcome to our e-learning for today. And for today's video, we're going to continue how to write an opinion essay. So this is part 2. So let us start. For now, we're going to talk about the format. So I think you learned the format last video. So the format, we have 3 paragraphs. So we have the first paragraph, the introduction. And the introduction is made up of at least 3 sentences. So the first sentence, we need to have the hook. The hook is, it can be a question or a statement that will attract or motivate your readers to read your essay. So you need to get their attention. So to get their attention, you can make a statement or you can ask a question. The second sentence should be a background or importance of the topic. So you're going to give the background. So your idea or might be the importance of that idea. And finally, you're going to give your opinion. Alright, so the second paragraph or the body. So here you're going to support your opinion. So you're going to support your opinion by writing 2 to 3 reasons and details. So you're going to answer the question why here. So you're going to answer this question, why? Why do you support that idea? And finally, in your conclusion, you're going to have again at least 3 sentences. So the first one, you're going to restate your opinion. So you're going to say or write your opinion again by using different words or what you call paraphrasing. And in the second sentence, you can summarize your ideas in one sentence. And finally, in the last sentence of your essay, you need to end with a strong statement. Alright? So remember these 3 paragraphs and their details. Alright, so let's focus on to that. Now let's have an example. So this topic, which is more important, health or education? So let's answer it by using an opinion essay. So here you can see the topic, which is more important, health or education, and I will give you a sample. So here the sample is that if you want health as your answer, if you think that health is more important than education, then this is an example. All right, remember the parts again. Introduction, letter A. So hook, you're going to make a statement or a question that will attract your reader's attention. So here, I will give you a question. Do you know the saying, health is wealth? So that's the first sentence, and that's the first step in writing an opinion essay. You should ask a question or you should make a strong statement in the first sentence. So here, there's a question. Now that you finish the first question, you go to the second sentence. And the second sentence is a background or can be an importance of the topic. So you're going to write background or importance, write a short background or importance about your topic, just like I said. So here I wrote, being healthy means that you are fit, happy, and have no stress at all. So that's a background of the idea of being healthy. And next, add your opinion in letter C. So you should give your opinion right now. So here you can write, in my opinion, giving your opinion, health is more important than education. So you can see the 3 parts of the introduction here. The hook, the first sentence, background or importance, the second sentence, and finally your opinion, which is in the third sentence of the introduction. Now let's go to the second paragraph. And the second paragraph will have at least 2 to 3 reasons why do you say that health is more important than education. So you need to have reasons and details. And don't forget to use the words first, second, third, finally, or use transition words. So here you can see the body of the essay. So you can see first of all, second, and finally. So let's read the reasons and details. So first of all, you will be happy most of the time. You will have no bodily pain nor mental stress. So as you can see here, that's the first reason, and you can see a detail. Okay, so a reason, detail. Let's go to the second one. Second, you will have a lot of money and time. So you have that reason again, why you selected health. Unhealthy people spends more time in clinics and money for medicine. So that's your detail. Why do you support this second idea? And finally, which is the third one. So I wrote here only 3 reasons and details. You will live longer. A person who is completely free from any illness can live their life to the fullest. So as you can see here, the first, the second, and the third reasons, and each has its own detail. And finally, we can go to the conclusion. So the conclusion has three sentences. Okay, so it should have three sentences. And the first sentence, you're going to restate your opinion again. So you're going to say or write your opinion again in different words. So here you can write, therefore it is better to be healthy. So that's restating your opinion. Summarize your ideas. So I summarize the ideas here in one sentence. I would rather have a stress-free, happy, and contented life than a sickly life. So summarizing the idea. And finally, end with a strong statement. The strong statement here is, all of us can have a good life when we take our health seriously. So this is an example, a simple example of an opinion essay following these three paragraphs and steps. Remember, a hook, background and importance, adding your opinion, adding 2 to 3 reasons and details, and finally, the conclusion, which has the following. Restate your opinion here in the first sentence, summarize your ideas in the second sentence, and ending the essay with a strong statement. So you can pause this video, you can copy this, and you can study on your own. Now, if you are done, let's go to the second example. So the first example here is we talk about health. How about if you wanted education? So if you have chosen education as more important. So let's go to the next sample. So here the sample is education, going back to the topic, which is more important, health or education. So if you selected education, this is an example of an essay here. So again, we have the introduction, the first paragraph. Your first sentence is a hook, so it can be a statement or a question that will attract your reader's attention. So here, it's a question. Do you want to be successful in your life? So again, that attracts or motivates your reader. The next sentence should be a background or importance. So you write a short background or importance about the topic. So let's talk about it. Then, start educating yourself with a lot of knowledge and skills. So that's a background. And finally, letter C is, you now add your opinion. So you will say, in my opinion, education is more important than health. Now, you're going to go to the body. So you're going to add 2 to 3 reasons and details. Use transition words. So first, education is the key to success. Most successful businessmen are educated in universities. So that's the first reason and detail. Second, don't forget the transition words. Education provides our society human resources. Now we have doctors, engineers, teachers, and others to help our society. So again, that's the second reason and explanation of this reason, or what we call details. Finally, so you have 3, 1, 2, and 3. So finally, education develops our thoughts, skills, and personality. We become a better person by being educated. So this is a sample of the body with 2 to 3 reasons and details using first, second, and finally as transition words. And we go to the conclusion. Again, we have 3 sentences, at least 3 sentences of the conclusion. We're going to state our opinion again in different words. We're going to summarize our ideas and end with a strong statement. So here you can see education is very important to us. That's restating your opinion, saying your opinion that is more important. Next, summarize your ideas. So you get the ideas from the first, second paragraph and then summarize them into one sentence only. We become a wholesome person by studying and learning things. And finally, you can end with a strong statement. So to achieve our goals in life, we must focus in education more. So, I want you to copy this sample if you want and study at home and study on your own. But I can see there's a mistake here. Education is the more, so it should be education is more. So please erase the "the" over there. Let's go to the things to remember. So these are the things that you need to remember when you're writing this essay. You need to state your opinions clearly. Use transition words, first, second, third, finally, however, nevertheless, hence. Write 2 to 3 reasons and details. Summarize your ideas. Find ideas from the internet. So you don't have any idea, you can find from the internet or from reading your books. So that's the lesson for today, how to write an opinion essay. I hope you learned this lesson. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.